Good afternoon, everybody. It is June 3rd, 2024. It is a wonderful Monday afternoon. Just got done with a busy day working with TJ, which was a ton of fun. Had some good systems we got cleaned, got a lot done, and yeah, it was a good day. Our last job, there were two little girls who were part of the family, and so I got them to chase me down with the water guns and squirt me. So I got my war video for the day, the water fight. So that was fun. Yeah, it was very fun. Getting things figured out. It's a journey. It is a journey. I'm very conflicted. I love the business model Service Experts is building under. I love their process for how they run calls and take care of their people and stuff like that. But the biggest disconnect is there's a disconnect between their business model, because it's focused on selling the systems every 15, 20 years, however that lines out, and maintaining them in the off years. Well, that means I'm visiting folks twice a year who already have a system that they're paying us to keep that system clean. But I'm also a commission-only salesperson. And so my job, quote unquote, is to sell a system to every client. But on the flip side, the clients hire us to maintain their system so they don't have to buy a system every year. And so there's this disconnect between the compensation model and the business model, which is why I've heard there's a very high turnover rate in the role I'm fulfilling for Service Experts, and my guess is that is why. It's because them buying every 10, 15 years is what the company cares about. They don't care about how the employee, or don't care as much about how the employees fund their lives between that time. So all the new employees, because they're cycling through RSCs at a high rate, they're all trying to create an income off of the people that are being pitched at twice a year. And so that disconnect, I think, makes it a challenge. I mean, it certainly has made it a big challenge for me to even provide for the family, because it's commission only. And I'm fine with that. It's just understanding the business you're in, understanding the machine you're a part of. It's one of the most important things I think anyone should pay attention to in their life is, how does this system I am a part of work? Is that the entire behind the scenes of Service Experts? Doubtful. It's just based off my 37 years on this earth and my experience in life, and then my experience the last month and a half working with Service Experts. This is my philosophy on their business. And so it's figuring out how to build the pipeline fast enough is the trick, I believe. I've got to figure out, how do I build my sales pipeline fast enough so that I'm taking care of the family and I'm able to fully commit to the role. And that's where I've actually started looking at other opportunities out there, because I don't think, based on everything I've been through, I don't know that there's a way for this to be to bridge the gap between where I am today and what my family needs fast enough without something changing from the service expert side. Which, who knows, maybe the content I've been creating and what I'm putting out there, maybe I'll start getting some leads that turn into closed business and it's all a moot point. But so far, all my leads have been existing clients who are already on these maintenance plans and already have systems and their ideas set up for how they want things done. Which, good for them. It's awesome when people have things systemized and stuff like that. So, that's a quick update on the work side of things. I had an Instagram video that got 80,000 views this weekend. And then, yeah. 80,000. That's a lot of views. That's surprising. We'll see if we can't get that going again. Look at all this cottonwood. Not sure if you can see it in the video. It almost looks like it's snowing. That is all from the trees out here in Idaho. So that cottonwood will get in your AC, and it restricts the airflow and makes your AC system not work like it should. So make sure you're paying attention to all of that. I'm out by Lake Lowell. So over here is Lake Lowell, which is a reservoir out here in Idaho, and man-made water control systems. It is amazing what we have done as a society to create and control things like water and electricity, and just harnessing the power of the world around us. It's really impressive. Very much impressive. So, anyways, that is my update. Headed home, hang out with the family, get ready for my day tomorrow. Alright, have a good day, y'all.